Bilkis. Got a minute?
Oh, hi Kia. Sure, come in. What's up?
Nothing urgent. I just want to touch base with you. You look focused. Is it bedtime?
No, it's fine. I was just finishing up a small report, but I needed a break anyway. My eyes are starting to cross from staring at this book.
I know that feeling all too well. By the way, how was your weekend? Did you end up going to that new cafe you were talking about on Friday?
Oh my god, yes. We went to the Brew Society. The coffee was amazing, but the line was incredibly long. We waited almost 30 minutes just to get in.
Wow, 30 minutes? The coffee must be worth it. Then I've been meaning to check it out. But I guess I need to prepare for the queue.
You should, but maybe go on a weekday afternoon. Anyway, enough about my weekend coffee adventures. What did you want to talk about?
Right, yes, I want to discuss the Alpha project with you. You know, the one for the new client, Fatima Jujaya?
Ah yes, the Alpha project. Of course, I've been looking for at the brief since this morning. It's quite a big project, isn't it? The deadline is pretty tight.
Exactly. That's why I want to talk to you. We're the two main people on this team, so we really need to be on the same page from the start. I don't want us to panic at the last minute.
Absolutely. I hate rushing things at the end. It's always better to have a solid plan early on. So, what are your thoughts on it so far?
Well, I've skimmed through the client recruitment. There are a lot of components to our first step, so we need to break down the project into smaller tasks and assign them based on our strength. What do you think?
I think that's a smart way to start. It makes a big project look much less scary when you break it into pieces. So let's do it. Do you have the project brief with you?
Yes, I have it here on my phone. Let me pull it up. Okay, so looking at section 1, they need a detailed market analysis. I remember you did an amazing job on the market analysis for our last project. The one for the F&B client. It was very true.
Thank you. Yes, I did that one. I actually enjoy digging through market data, so I don't mind taking the lead on the market analysis for this project. It would probably be faster if I did it since I'm already familiar with some of the data sources.
That will be fantastic, Wilkis. If you can handle the market analysis, that will be a hug help. Then I can focus on the financial projection and the budget planning section. Numbers are more my thing.
Perfect. That's great. So market analysis is with me, financials are with you. Now about the deadline. The final submission to the client is on 30 of this month. That gives us about 3 weeks. When do you think we should have our individual parts ready so we can combine them and review together?
Good question. We should leave it until the last day. How about we aim to have the first draft of our section done by the 20th? That gives us a full 10 days to combine everything. Give you each other works, make revision, and practice our presentation if needed.
The 20th sounds reasonable. That's about a week and a half from now on. Plenty of time to do a good job without rushing. What about meetings? Should we set up a quick check-in meeting next week just to make sure we're both on track and not facing any major roadblocks?
I was just about to suggest that. Let's have a quick sync up on Wednesday next week. Maybe for just 15 until 20 minutes, we can do it here on our own. A quickly video call if one of us is working from home, just to update each other on progress.
Perfect. Wednesday it is. I'll put it on my calendar right now. Also, for the format of the final document, should we use the company's standard proposal template, or do you think the client wants something more creative?
Good point. Looking at their company profile, they seem quite modern. Maybe we should use the standard template as a base, but make the design a bit more sleek and visual. I can work on the design layout when I combine our parts later.
I like that idea. It shows we follow the company standard but also pay attention to the client style. Okay, I think we have a solid plan. I'll start pulling data for the market analysis this afternoon.
That sounds good. I will start working on the budget template. I'm really glad we had this chat, Bilkis. I feel much more organized now. I was a little overwhelmed this morning, just looking at the big picture.
I know what you mean. It's always better to talk it out. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Exactly. So if you need any data from the finance department to help with your analysis, just let me know. I have a good contact there. I can introduce you via email if you want.
Oh, that would be super helpful actually. I might need some historical sales data for comparison. I'll let you know if I get stuck. Thanks, Kia.
No problem at all. That's what teammates are for. Alright then, I will let you get back to your report. Sorry for taking up so much of your break time.
Don't be silly. This was a productive chat. It was better than just staring at the book. Good luck with the financials.
Thanks you too with the market analysis. See you later, Bilkis.
See you later, Kia, and good luck with the budget.
Bye.
Bye.